Guys, we're over in Chinatown today. Look who I have with me today. Steven, where are you from?
LA Chinatown.
Oh man, what are you doing in SF Chinatown?
Exploring.
Eating
nice. Food here.
Nice. Thank you for coming to the community. Let me take you around to certain places. Alright, we're gonna go into Buy Me Boba. Let's check it out. We just got a Taiwanese milk tea. Buy Me Boba Tea. Alright, you got your drink, right? Alright, I got my drink. You got yours. How's it? It's good, huh? Alright, we're gonna go to Fortune Cookie Factory now. Even being a tourist, he's going into the Fortune Cookie Factory. Let's go, let's go. Hi, 你好. Hello, 阿姨. Hello.
Ken.
Hi, 你好，阿姨. Steven, how you enjoying this so far?
Got my little camera filming.
Oh, nice. You got the Insta360 and the GoPro? Damn, you came prepared to Chinatown San Francisco. We just left the Fortune Cookie Factory. Now we're gonna check out some other places. But oh, check this out. House of Dim Sum right here. It's also a favorite restaurant in Chinatown. There's many other restaurants. Obama came to this spot. And we are going. Where are we going right now? Yummy Bakery, dude.
Bakery?
Yeah, Yummy Bakery. About to get some egg tarts, remember?
At nighttime.
Yeah.
It's still open.
Better make sure that they're still egg tarts. We're at Yummy Bakery. Alright, Steven's going in. Steven, what are you gonna order from them?
Dan Ta.
Ask them if they still got Dan Ta. 仲有冇蛋撻? Oh, 好快, okay. She said coming soon, dude.
Alright. I guess I'll order a few.
Bring it back to LA Chinatown. And you got 4 egg tarts, man. Damn, dude. Came here just for egg tarts.
Hot too.
Yep. We just got the egg tarts. And we got Boba Tea. Oh man. Got
This
sweet
food
tooth
crawl.
right here.
This is our food crawl right here.
Where are we going now?
How's the Xi'an?
House of Xi'an? Nice, dude. Alright, let's go. Let's check it out. Alright, you got your meal? Yum. Alright, let's see what is it? Nice. You got your roast duck, dude. Roast duck.
Oh shoot! I see you.
Where?
Right there.
Alright, we're over at Portsmouth Square right now, but we want to try the egg tart just because it's been a while. Alright, here's the egg tart that we just ordered from Yummy Bakery. Alright, let's try it. So good. It's sweet, it's still warm. It tastes a lot of the eggs. So good. Alright. Did you know there's a wall of noodle?
No. Where's the wall noodle?
It's right there, dude.
Oh, the
right
ramen
there.
noodles?
Yeah. Here.
Some of that.
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh. So Steven, you see the lanterns?
Yeah, these are so cool.
Yeah, man. You know, there are lantern stories. They just got put up last month or so. So each one, there's a story behind it. Check it out.
History right here.
Yeah, it is some Asian history right here. Alright, after all that walking, right? You must be hungry.
Yo, it wasn't enough food, you know?
So let's check out Golden Flower. It's like a small mom and pop shops in Chinatown.
Nice.
Yo, what's up, Tiff? Hey, Jenny. Karina and Darren's here.
Oh, I need more cheese.
Chicken salad, yeah.
9. Alright, we just finished dinner over at Golden Flower. Yeah, so happy that you came out. Met some of my friends from San Francisco. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, man.
Good luck. And have a safe flight to LA. So we support San Francisco Yeah, we went to many businesses today, supported quite a few. Thanks for coming out to
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, you're welcome. Alright, have a good one. Alright, Steven. Wait. Oh yeah, Steven's taking a photo of the Dragon Gate right there. We're over by Market, by the bar station now. Y'all have a safe flight. We'll see you in LA Chinatown.
See
All
ya.
right, peace. All right, bye.